I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
The thing that has my interest right now is AI, and I'm certainly not the only one. A lot of people have noticed how much this is accelerated. I come from a video production background, and I'm looking at AI video production right now. Text to video is a very early, nascent technology right now, and it's exactly what it sounds like. I just type in words, and it spits out a video of the thing I described. And it's in full motion. If you describe person dancing across a ballroom floor, it's not a static image. It's two people ballroom dancing across a ballroom floor. This technology right now is in the exact same place that text to image was a year ago. And so a lot of people are not really paying attention to this because that state of affairs is, it's not going to fool anybody. It's a mangled David Cronenberg human flesh mess of a person dancing across the ballroom floor. It's not photorealistic. But you look at where text to image has come in the past year. 1 year ago, that technology couldn't fool anybody. It was mangled and ugly, and it was a novelty. Today, it is producing crystal clear, photo perfect images based on a short paragraph of text, and anybody can do it. I am predicting that we are going to see the exact same progression for text to video. So I'm guessing that in 1 year, the technology will have advanced enough that anybody will be able to produce totally believable video from a short text input. And the overwhelming torrent of, we've dealt with misinformation and disinformation in the internet in the last few years. I think since the 2016 presidential election in the US, we've all kind of been aware of that. I think we're about to see it accelerate and get much worse in that we can't trust images or videos like we might have previously. And in an environment where you're facing tyranny, the internet is rife with lies, and you're not sure what you can trust, I think people are going to gravitate towards things that are reliable. And Bitcoin, despite its price volatility, it's getting much more reliable, and it's functioning exactly the same way, and it is frankly unkillable at this point. I think more and more people are going to start to realize that as the rest of the world gets more and more bonkers. We were just talking about the banking crisis, right? Like, banks are supposed to be the most staid, true, steady, permanent things in existence. Do you know why banks build with the stone Roman pillars? They do that so that they look permanent, so that they look like they've been there forever, because the last thing you want is your bank disappearing overnight. That kind of institution is the one failing right now. And technology is going to make everything else on the internet even crazier. I think that kind of technological instability and the economic fallout from that is going to drive people towards systems that they can rely on. And Bitcoin is the best one I can think of.